In this video, I am going to solve this equation for x. Please note that we have an exponential equation, meaning on both sides of this equation we have exponential expressions. So there are a couple of ways you can solve this problem. However, I will take the easier approach. On both sides, notice that you have 2 to the power something. 2 to the power something on both sides. Exact same. Base is the same on both sides. So if the bases are the same exactly, then the exponents must be the same as well, or exponents must be equal. So using that argument, I could write the following: negative 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 8. Now this becomes solving a simple linear equation. So I just move the x's to one side and everything else to the other. So I'm gonna subtract 5x from both sides and subtract 5 from both sides. If I did that, on the left hand side I'm gonna get negative 3x minus 5x is negative 8x, and then negative 5 and positive 5 are gonna cancel, and negative 5x positive 5x cancel. 8 minus 5, or 8 plus negative 5, is 3. Now I divide both sides by negative 8. On the left hand side, negative 8's cancel out, and then I'm left with x, and on the right hand side is 3/8, and that's your answer, or that's your solution to this exponential equation. However, let me clarify something. What if we had something like this? 2 to the power less than negative 3x plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5x plus 8 plus 2 to the power 3x. I just added this term. In this case, on both sides you have the same basis, but you couldn't equate them. You have to be careful here and not to make this mistake. So you can only do this if you have something like this. Basically, some base raised to the power something is equal to the same base raised to the power something else. In this case, on the right hand side you have sum of two exponential expressions. In this case, you couldn't say something like that negative 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 8 plus 3x. That's unacceptable. Okay, so make sure that you don't generalize it. It works only for expressions of this type. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.